Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the can't use recorder due to ungranted permission issue. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. So, let's get started. First of all, let me show you the problem. As you can see, if I try to open the recorder, it doesn't open. Now, let's fix this issue. To fix it, first, pull down your notification bar and go to Settings, scroll down and go to the Apps section. After that, go to Manage Apps and search for Recorder, then click on it. Next, go to App Permissions, tap on Storage, and allow it. That's it. Now go back and try opening the recorder again. As you can see, it is now working. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching.